How to fix Facebook password not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix Facebook password not working. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So if your Facebook password is not working, open up your Facebook and right here type in your email address. So after you type in your email address, you can move forward by initiating a password reset. For that, tap on forgotten password option. After that, enter out your mobile number or search by email address. Type in your email address here and then tap on continue. Then they will send you a mail at that very email, and send an email to that very email address to get a code. After you do that, you should be getting the code on your email, so wait for it. And so check your mail to find the reset code and then type the reset code in here. Then tap on continue. After you do that, you can now create a new password. Create a new password and then tap on continue. And doing this should fix your problem of your Facebook password not working. If it still does not work, what you can do is you can update your app to the latest version. Sometimes due to any error or any bugs, your account might not get you might not be able to work correctly. So just update the app to the latest version, and if that does not work, simply uninstall it and reinstall it back again. And that's it, fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.